Hey y'all, Creekside Cubing again. Let's see what we got today. Hopefully it's something exciting. That's interesting. Good luck for you and your family. Obviously this came from eBay. That's cool. What do we have? Obviously a cube. Obviously some bubble wrap. I found that the most difficult part of puzzles is usually unpacking them. This one is no different. Wow. Wonder how long it takes for them to pack these things up. Man. Just takes forever. Let's make a good time-lapse video. Oh, we're starting to see something. Okay. Shengshao. Let's stick with Shengshao. Well, that's different. Okay. That's some really interesting shades. I've never seen a green like that before. Blue's pretty nice. Everything looks pretty good. So, it's a little bit catchy. Kind of feels like light pieces and stuff, so. Yeah, it's really catchy. But, could be worse. For a budget cube, I mean, can't really complain, and when it comes to projects, why, it'll be fine. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.